Hey everybody, this is Peter. In this video segment, we're going to continue with Sourcefire's policy management, this being part 3. So in part 2, we basically created rules and alerts for IRC traffic on the network because at that point in time, we were looking at not having IRC traffic or any servers on our network. Now what we're going to do in this video is basically, the corporation, let's say, that we're working with has got an IRC server. They just newly implemented it, and now we're getting a ton of different alerts or false positives now because we actually allow this traffic on the network. So what we want to do is kind of create an exclusion for that server. So let's go into policy and response, and we'll go into compliance policy management. When we get in here, you'll see we have our IRC detection policy management rule. We're going to go ahead and click on that, jump into that section, and you'll see one of the rules that we have created below, which is our IRC traffic intrusion. So let's jump in there, and what we want to do here is add a user qualification. So what we're going to do is click on user qualification and actually get into here and create a string for excluding that specific IRC server. So we're going to basically choose our condition, which is identify on source, and we're going to choose by department, excuse me, and then we're going to basically choose from our drop down is not. So basically look for a string that says enterprise comm server. So we're going to do an is not type condition here and type in enterprise, one second, comm server. Okay, so basically what we're doing is when we see that string or we see that specific source of enterprise comm server, we want to essentially ignore those alerts on the network because that is our enterprise IRC server. And that's pretty much it, guys. We're going to go ahead and save this now, and now we have a specific condition in place that we don't receive false positives on our policy anymore. Thanks very much for coming out, guys. We'll see you on the next one.